Welcome back to ZK Skybound Aviation, where we take a closer look at the most luxurious and futuristic vehicles in the world. Today we bring you an in-depth review of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome RV, a vehicle that pushes the limits of design, performance and comfort. Bugatti is a brand synonymous with speed, elegance and exclusivity, and with this latest motorhome it has entered a new era, redefining what luxury living on the move truly means. The exterior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome RV immediately commands attention with a bold futuristic design that carries Bugatti's signature styling cues. The iconic horseshoe grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by advanced LED matrix headlights that give the vehicle a striking presence on the road. Its aerodynamic profile has been carefully sculpted from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, providing strength and agility. Despite its large size, the bodywork is sleek yet powerful, with smooth flowing lines that reduce drag and improve efficiency. Retractable side panels, panoramic windows and a premium power-operated awning elevate its practicality while enhancing its luxury appeal. This is a motorhome designed to be both functional and breathtaking. Step inside and the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome RV reveals an interior that rivals the finest luxury suites in the world. The living space has been crafted with premium Italian leather surfaces, handcrafted wood veneers, brushed aluminum details and customizable ambient lighting systems. The spacious lounge area is equipped with electronically adjustable recliner seating, a large ultra-high definition entertainment display and a fully integrated surround sound system. The kitchen is equally advanced, featuring smart touch-controlled appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktops and even a built-in wine cooler that reflects the sophistication of Bugatti owners. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed with smart memory foam technology capable of adjusting to body posture and temperature, ensuring unmatched comfort. The bathroom continues the theme of opulence with marble surfaces, a rainfall shower system and high-tech self-cleaning functions. Performance is another area where Bugatti leaves no room for compromise. Unlike typical motorhomes designed only for comfort, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome RV is engineered to perform. Powered by a hybrid drivetrain combining Bugatti's legendary W16 quad-turbo engine with next-generation electric motors, it delivers an astonishing 1200 horsepower. This level of power allows the motorhome to cruise effortlessly at highway speeds while offering impressive stability and control. Advanced adaptive air suspension ensures smooth handling even on uneven roads, while intelligent drive modes allow customization between comfort, efficiency and performance settings. Technology integration is at the core of this RV's appeal. The cockpit features a fully digital AI-powered dashboard providing real-time navigation, traffic updates and smart route planning. Bugatti's autonomous driving assistance adds safety and convenience for long journeys, while a 360-degree camera system, collision prevention sensors and emergency braking systems enhance driver confidence. Passengers enjoy seamless connectivity through a 5G hub, allowing entertainment streaming, remote climate control and smart device integration. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide sustainable energy support, making the motorhome environmentally forward while maintaining Bugatti's prestige. With dimensions measuring over 38 feet in length, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome RV offers unmatched interior space without compromising agility. It comfortably accommodates up to 6 passengers with versatile sleeping arrangements and abundant hidden storage compartments. Fuel efficiency is enhanced by the hybrid system, giving it an edge over traditional motorhomes while still delivering Bugatti-level performance. Buyers also have the opportunity to personalize their RV through Bugatti's bespoke customization program, offering unique color palettes, interior finishes and exclusive trims. In summary, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome RV represents the pinnacle of luxury travel on wheels. It is not just a vehicle but a lifestyle statement, combining Bugatti's unparalleled engineering, performance and design with the comfort of a 5-star residence. Whether for cross-country adventures, luxury retreats or simply showcasing exclusivity, the Bugatti Motorhome RV sets a new benchmark for the industry. That concludes today's full review of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome RV. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more detailed reviews on the most advanced vehicles in the world, do not forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to ZK Skybound Aviation for more exclusive insights into the future of luxury travel.